Hello friend, don't miss out. Upgrade your toolkit with this premium Torx wrench today. Calling all DIYers, mechanics, and bike enthusiasts. Today, we're showcasing an essential tool for your workshop, the universal Torx wrench adjustable Torx spanner from Licio. Whether you're working on a bicycle, motorcycle, or car, this versatile, high-performance wrench is a game changer. Crafted from durable chromium vanadium steel, this spanner is built for strength and precision. Its double-ended, multifunctional design fits sizes 8 to 22 millimeters, making it perfect for nuts, bolts, and Torx screws. No more juggling multiple wrenches. This all-in-one tool saves time and hassle. The ratchet mechanism allows for quick, smooth adjustments, even in tight spaces, while the adjustable torque ensures you get the perfect grip. No more stripped bolts or rounded edges. Plus, its ergonomic handle gives you a comfortable, non-slip grip, reducing hand fatigue during long repair sessions. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a weekend DIYer, this wrench is a must-have for your toolbox. Durable, reliable, and incredibly versatile, it's designed to last for years. Click the link below to order yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tool reviews and workshop essentials. Thanks for watching, and stay safe while grinding.